Anmol classes welcomes you. In the previous video of your Python programming lab for B.Tech second year first semester for artificial intelligence and machine learning, earlier we have seen 9 experiments. In today's video, we'll going for seeing the 10th one. It is write a Python program to construct the following pattern using a nested for loop. So here we need to go for writing the Python program and we need to use for loop statement. So if you are seeing this, here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns we are having. Okay, so 5 columns we are having, and if you are seeing here, you are having one element, here you are having 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. So it is starting from 1 and it is going to 5, and then from 5 it is going, then it is reducing till 1. For this we need to go for writing the program, and for that we need to go for using the for loop statement. So when we are going for using the for loop statement, here we need to go for seeing the range. So for statement, what are the different types of range that we are having? Let us see that one first, then we'll go for the programming part. For statement, you see here in this example, for I in range x. So for I in range x, this means that the range is from 0 until x, but we don't have to include this x, so not including x. And what about the step size? Step size will be 1. So we can say that here the range is from 0 until x, not including x, in step of 1. So this is one way for your for statement. We can go for another way. So here if you are seeing for I in range x comma y. So here in this example you will be seeing that we are starting from x and we have to go until y. So until y means we need to include x, but we should not include y. And here again the step will be 1 only. So for example, you see for I in range 5 comma 10 means starting will be 5 and end will be your 10 minus 1, that is 9, and step will be your 1. So your output will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let us go for another combination for your for statement, where we are having the starting number, we are having the end number, and we can even modify the step size. If we are not writing the step, it will be considered as one step. So here you see for I in range x comma y comma step. So starting is x and end will be your y minus 1. Means say from x until y, it will include x, but it will not include y. And step will be, this will be the step size. This will be the step size. So for step size, we can put any number. Okay. So if you are seeing that in our program, we need to go for this for statement. This third for statement will be useful, and even we can go for your this first for statement will be required. Now let us go for the programming part. So as usual, your program, it is starting from the comment line. Comment line, it is for the user. The compiler will just escape this one. This is experiment number 10. Write a Python program to construct the following pattern using a nested for loop. So whatever this pattern is, this pattern also we have started with hash, means this is also comment line only. So if you are seeing this, in this you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns will be there. So we need to set n is equal to 5. So our actual program, it is starting from here. Set the value of n to 5, as we are having 5 columns. So n is equal to 5. Then for I in range n, for I in range n means 5. For j in range I. So then we need to go for print. What we need to print? We need to print this asterisk followed by space and end is equal to your colon. So here if you are seeing that it is end, in end we don't have any figure, and finally we are having a print. So print is blank. So if you are seeing first we have made n is equal to 5. Then for I is equal to range of n. N means it will be starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. It will not include this 5. It will not include this 5. So what we need to do? And for j in range I, print your this asterisk. Your asterisk sign will be there, and in end we don't have anything. So asterisk followed by space. So first we will be having asterisk followed by space. Then you are having 2 asterisk, say 1 asterisk space, second asterisk. Then in third you will be having asterisk space, asterisk space, asterisk 3 times will be having. And finally you will be having 4 times asterisk will be there. Okay. And this print statement will make us to go to the next line. So this print statement, so first we are going for 1 asterisk sign will be there, then we are going to next line. Then we will be having 2 asterisk, then the next line. Then we will be having 3 asterisk, then we will be having next line. So this print statement, this is for moving to the next line. Now, again you see this for I in range n, 0, -1. So n, it is the starting point, 0, it is the end, -1, and the step size is -1. So n, as we have kept it 5, so starting will be 5, then step will be -1. So 5 means 5 minus 1 will be having 4, then 3, then 2, finally 1. So we will go till 1, but we should not include this 0. So starting will be n, end will be your 0 plus 1, that is your 1. For I in range I, same print statement, print asterisk will be there, then space will be there, end is equal to space. So in end nothing is there. Then we are having print your, here also you don't have anything. So this print statement will take you to the next line. So what is happening? Your program is starting here. So when we are writing n is equal to 1, from here if we are moving till your here, you see that remaining, let me put it as your comment line. If I am putting it comment line, then we can able to understand the programming part little bit in a better way. So whatever this below is there, I am just putting it comment line. It will just escape that one. So you see you are getting 1 asterisk followed by space, asterisk, space, then asterisk, asterisk, space, asterisk, space, asterisk. So here you are having 1, here you are having 2, 3, 4. So we are keeping n is equal to 5. So you are having just 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 you will be having. Now, so for n is equal to 5, for I is equal to I in range n, for j in range I, print this and print this. So till this we are getting this much structure. But if you are seeing the program, they have told to draw the below part also. So for that, where we have put this comment line, we'll just remove this and then we'll try to execute the remaining part of the program. Now you see, good. Now you see all the whatever the structure that is required, we are getting it. So from the first part we are having just 1, 2, 3, 4, and from the second part we are having this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are keeping the range n, means first we will be having 5, then 5 minus 1, 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, and here it is telling 0. So it will not include a 0. We will stop at 1 only, and the step size is -1. So in this way, this program is completed. In the next video, we will be going for seeing your experiment number 11. Thank you.